I almost feel jealous.
You want to try one of the shirts?
Don't mind if I do.
Okay. You want some of the dress?
Sure.
How was it?
Good. Very good. You want some saltfish?
No thanks. I tried it. It's okay.
You been here before?
Yeah. One.
And here I was thinking I was taking you someplace exclusive. Sorry, miss, I get around.
What? I came here with your brother and it was a business meeting. That's the first time I met that witch.
Whoa, 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 whoa. So, hold on, you're allowed to run jokes, but I'm not? I was only joking.
I'm sorry, but I don't do runaround jokes.
Okay, my bad, I'm sorry. Tell me something. This resignation thing, what's that about?
To be honest, I'm no longer comfortable in that space. From Minister Wallace got sick, it's been a lot of chaos. Even before. It's just, I just can't.
So, what exactly is happening that makes you uncomfortable at the office?
I don't know, maybe she's threatened by me because I question things that she does on a regular.
Like what?
Well, for one, this natural medicine that she has been insisting that we all need.
This natural medicine thing is a thing for her. Tell me something, is she getting any backing with it, like the board backing her? Who has sanctioned it? Who has signed up on these things which I do?
Well, she had me do a petition to override the minister's order to do away with this natural medicine. And she's also planning to table it in Parliament to get approval.
So she really need Marcus out of the way. So that's her game plan. She need him out of the way, so she keeping him sedated and keeping him under the drug spell where she have him under and have a hallucination. All because she want table or natural remedy thing in Parliament.
But I've been trying to show you that all along. She has a plan and she's sticking to it. And she'll do whatever she needs or get anybody out of the way to execute her plan.
Let me tell you something. Man a plan, call like a wife.
So yeah, God no. So tell me something. What do you plan on doing? Is it within the law?
And if it's not, we are planning to arrest me?
Well, I could. Unless you're talking about house arrest.
Well, in that case, I've been a really bad criminal. Take me. Check please. It's time to go.
Don't feel defeated. I'll give you motive, I'll give you a reason. I can't find your love nowhere.